Welcome to our detailed walkthrough of capital expenditure control testing using DataSnipper. In this demonstration, we will show you how to use DataSnipper's powerful features to validate key attributes of a capital expenditure transaction. Before diving into the testing attributes, we first load all the necessary supporting documentation into Excel using DataSnipper. This includes the proposal document, financial ledger entries, approval documents, invoices, and purchase orders. DataSnipper enables seamless import and processing of these documents, setting the stage for an efficient validation process. Lastly, ensure OCR was ran successfully on the documents. Our testing focuses on 3 key attributes that align with our capital expenditure controls for a sample of 1. We will go through each attribute step by step, using DataSnipper to ensure compliance and accuracy. For attribute 1, we ensure the expenditure request is supported by a detailed proposal. This includes a cost-benefit analysis, projected ROI, and vendor quotations. DataSnipper helps us extract and verify these details. Use the document viewer to navigate to the expenditure request form. Extract key details using the text snip tool. Next, use the document viewer to navigate to the proposal document. Use the validation snip to highlight key sections of the proposal, such as the cost-benefit analysis, ROI projections, and vendor quotations. Ensure the extracted details match the requirements. A detailed cost-benefit analysis, clear ROI projections, and valid vendor quotations. For attribute 2, we ensure the expenditure has been authorized by the department head and director of procurement/CFO. DataSnipper facilitates the extraction and validation of authorization signatures. Use the document viewer to navigate to the approval documents. Use text snip to highlight and extract the authorization signatures from the department head and director of procurement. Verify that all required authorizations are present and correctly signed. For attribute 3, we verify that the recorded capital expenditure in the financial ledger accurately matches the approved amount and supporting documents. DataSnipper aids in this verification process. Use the document viewer to navigate to the financial ledger entry and supporting documents, such as invoices and purchase orders. Use search and snip to reconcile the expenditure amount across the ledger, purchase order, and invoice. Extract and compare these amounts to ensure they match. Alternatively, in the conclusion section, we can use validation snip along with the control key to link multiple amounts, ledger, invoice, and PO, into one cell for quick review. Verify that the ledger entry accurately reflects the approved expenditure and matches the details in the supporting documents. With DataSnipper, our capital expenditure control testing becomes a streamlined and robust process, ensuring we maintain accuracy and compliance. These features allow us to create a dynamic and interactive work paper that clearly documents our conclusions.